Tay, it was 14 years ago when you walked into class on our first day of senior year, not knowing that that was going to be the day that was going to change my life forever.
I vividly remember signing your senior yearbook saying to never change your mohawk hairstyle. All I have to say now is thank you so much for not listening to my message in there. There is no one else I could do this journey we call life with. The places we have traveled, the memories we have made, the challenges we have faced, and the love we have shared have all led us here 13 years later, standing in front of each other making this beautiful vow to one another.
Some might ask why it took 14 years for this day to happen. In my eyes, these past 14 years have been a learning experience that I would never change for the world. Like learning how to love, care, and to never give up on each other.
I've had the pleasure of getting to know you two rather well over the last 14 years. We've spent every Christmas together, birthdays, and more. By the time Joni and I married, these two were not adolescents anymore. They weren't teenagers. To the contrary, any awkwardness was gone. Taylor had traded in her sweats for some pretty cool hip fashion. But on a deeper level, it was evident to Joni and me that these two had something special going on. And through Taylor and Jordan's 20s, they evolved beautifully, and eventually they picked up on a trait we couldn't help noticing, and that is the fact that they had this genuine mutual respect for each other. And not every couple has that. And that is the 14 years that brought them this moment where right now they decided they want to spend the rest of their lives together.
Tay, your kindness, selflessness, grace, and infectious laughter light up any room you enter. I know everyone that knows you will agree that you have the most generous and gracious heart. And Jordan, you are the perfect match for Tay. Your unwavering support and love for Tay are evident to all who know you, and it has been such a pleasure to watch your journey together.
Hi, you look so handsome. Gucci?
Damn. Love it.
You ready to do this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you. Woo! Oh, that was the hard part.
Taylor and Jordan, I speak for everyone here when I say, at last. I've never been to a more anticipated wedding, and I couldn't be happier or more excited for you, as is everyone right here.
14 years ago, you asked me to our senior prom as friends. Little did I know that months later would be the start of our forever, creating this beautiful life together.
I am forever grateful for that day because it was the day I had met my best friend and lifelong partner. Today, I stand in front of our loved ones and you to vow the love that has grown so strong for you in the past 14 years. I promise to always be your partner in adventure, whether it's exploring new places or trying to find a recipe for dinner. I know we watch a lot of golf, but I promise to watch your favorite shows with you, even if my eyes are closed.
I promise to always give you praise for your low golf scores. Let the Golf Channel be my white noise to go to bed at night. And my biggest promise of all is to never stop dating you and to always compliment you. Our date nights will forever be my favorite.
I'm so excited to embark this next journey of our lives together, and I wouldn't have chosen anyone to do it with but you. Taylor, with you I have discovered a deeper love than I ever thought possible. I promise to honor and protect this love.
Our story is one of my very favorites and has had many chapters. Actually, I think we might be on to the third sequel by now. I cannot wait for the rest of our pages to be written together now as one in this amazing next chapter.
Tay, there are no amount of words that can describe the amazing and truly incredible person that you are. It's pretty awesome to say that I've known the groom almost as long as the bride. And one night we were hanging out at your parents' house, and I decided to ask you if you were going to ask Tay to prom, and you said yes. So, like Jordan and Taryn fashion, we worked together to surprise Tay. And I remember awkwardly hiding in her room just to get pictures of the two of you asked her. And shortly after is when she became your girlfriend. I couldn't imagine the two of you without one another. Your relationship started as a friendship, and it grew into one great love story that has been amazing to witness. And I can't wait to see what marriage now has in store for you.
Taylor and Jordan, you two are meant for each other. That's obvious by now. Just promise me this. You won't ever get too old to salsa dance in the living room. Make time for date nights. Remind each other where the love started. And I couldn't be happier for the two of you. I love you both so much.
As you two embark on this journey together as teammates, I pray that your marriage is filled with endless love, laughter, joy, and tequila, of course. As a friend, I will always be here to support you both and cheer you on along the way, as you have done for me for many years. So let's raise a glass to the newlyweds, Taylor and Jordan number 1. May your marriage be longer than 18 holes of golf, and just as long as it takes for Taylor to eat a plate of food. Here's to the magic that brought you together and a lifetime of continuous adventures in love.
You guys compliment each other. Taylor likes to yell at Jordan, and Jordan likes to be yelled at by Taylor. Just kidding. On behalf of all the groomsmen, all your boys, when I speak for all of us, to give you a sincere congratulations.
Can I get 3 cheers for Tay and Jordan? Hip, hip! Hip, hip! Hip, hip!